Hi, my name is Kelly, and this is Connor. Say hi, Connor. Connor has been seeing Dr. Forman for about 4 months, and he is completely healed in my eyes. He is such a happy baby now, and no more congestion and bronchial issues like we had before. We both had the same issues, and I've been seeing Dr. Forman for about 9 months, and once I started feeling better, I realized my son had the same issues and he needed to go as well. As a mom, I feel really bad that my baby was on prednisone and nebulizers and albuterol for pretty much the whole first 2 years of his life. And now, with Dr. Forman's help, my baby is completely cured. He has not been sick since he's been seeing Dr. Forman, and I feel like now when he gets a cold, it won't turn into something where he needs to go to the doctor every time. He can have a cold like a normal child does. So thank you, Dr. Forman. And if I can just get through to one person, because I'm not a holistic person myself, to just try it and see what it can do for you and your family, please, please do so. Because look at that face. That right there was worth it. Thanks.